Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've been watching these little radios, which got a lot of functions, and this one caught my eye. And the reason it caught my eye is on the Shortwave, it has 6 bands for shortwave, making it easier to tune. And you're going to need that, and I'll show you why. Let me get this out of the way. Comes with a carrying strap, about 3 feet. Comes with an audio input, and the connector is stereo, but it doesn't play stereo. It's just a single speaker. Anyway, so you can hook up some other device to this, use this as an amplifier speaker. Little manual, very little information in the manual, but you don't need much. This is an analog clock radio. Yeah. And it has a very bright built-in light. Switch that on. If I get my finger there. There we go. See how bright that is? Ooh, that is bright. It uses, well, I kicked the camera. Okay, the show is completed. I kicked the camera. Uses an 18650 battery. Comes with it. It's built in. It is removable, so if it wears out over time, you can replace it. Carrying strap. It's AM, FM, shortwave, Bluetooth, MP3 player. All those things at a very good price. These are, right now, these are being discounted on Amazon. Whole different models. I've been showing you a couple already. I like the fake wood grain on this one. Looks kind of nice. I wish it was about 4 times bigger, but this is the volume on off. This is the tuning knob, but the tuning knob is really small. That's why you need the 6 bands on shortwave. So this is the 6 bands on shortwave. That's what you need. On this side, you have the connector to use that cable, to use this as a speaker amplifier. You have, there's where you charge it. You can run it on the charger. And it's probably a good idea to leave it on the charger if you're going to use the clock. Now you can turn the clock off with this switch right here. You can turn the clock off if you want to. And then it's got 2 memory card ports, the small TF and the larger memory stick. Got about a 24-inch antenna for FM and shortwave. Reception is quite good. It's in the middle of the day right now, so I'm not going to get anything on shortwave. There's the lamp. Huge lamp, very, very bright. I haven't done any life test or capacity test of the battery yet. I'm curious to see how much the clock is going to use up the battery. So I'm going to do one test where I leave the radio off. I don't have the cable, the charging cable on, and we'll see how much that battery discharges. I'm thinking it'll go a week, but it's an analog battery. It might not. Did I mention the carrying strap? It comes with a cloth carrying strap. That's nice. Pretty light. Doesn't have a handle. It has the carrying strap but not the handle. I would have preferred a handle for this size and type of radio. Let's just see if we can turn it on and see how it sounds. I'm on the shortwave bands. I won't get anything, but I'm going to turn it on anyway. Extend the... It's got a decent... It's over 2-foot telescopic antenna. I'm sure it won't find anything. Muting while tuning. Does tune pretty slowly, which is good when you're on shortwave. No, I'm not going to get anything. I'm on the 9.2 to 10 megahertz band. I did get something earlier in the morning. Yeah, I'm not going to get much. Let me see if I can actually get WWV at 10. No. Okay, let's go to, let's turn the volume down some. And let's go to AM. Okay, now we're on the AM band. Now the AM band scale is down the bottom. The FM is up the top. Yeah, it's directional. Yeah, picks up a lot of stations.
Maybe the Immaculate Conception, the Feast of the Immaculate Conception, or the Assumption, or January 1st. Songwriters are going to play, or some of the real down. Rebecca Pulley, Ben Rogers, Randy Burton. Get so much recognition within. Ahora mismo. Really great stuff. And she saw him. Pictures of him.
So let's try FM.
Or they or them.
Whoa! Sorry about that. It's got plenty of volume. Yeah, getting a lot of FM stations. Very sensitive.
Every year we get to tour.
And 2 other friends brought supposed to live through the winter.
Yeah, great number of stations coming through. So I really like this radio, you know. When I'm making this video, they're on sale right now. I don't remember the price. It's definitely less than $29. I like the wood grain, the simulated wood grain on this. Nice looking radio. And it's kind of different that it's got the clock. And like I said, what caught my eye is that the shortwave band is spread over 6 bands. Now, it's not continuous. It's mainly the international broadcast bands. So it goes like, I think, 6.8 to 18 megahertz on shortwave. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.